what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. It has been a freaking minute since we vlogged, but it feels so good to be back. And yeah, we're freaking moving. It's happening. We bought a new house and I'm so freaking pumped. I think the last vlog was if we even sold our house, and obviously we did. And we bought a new house and today is moving day. So wanted to vlog the experience and everything with you guys, and so we can look back on and remember it. So actually it is moving day, but I am doing some work this morning before everyone can help us move, so we're gonna get going on that pretty soon here. But yeah, welcome back. Subscribe if you're new, and let's freaking new chapter. I'm so excited.
I love it.
What's that?
My vlog. Empty house tour. This is right when you walk into the garage. And then the kitchen. Yeah.
Oh, the basement.
Oh, here's the living room. Here's my office. This goes down to the basement.
Well, let's do it.
Yikes. Oh, this is the front door. So you walk in.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
the basement.
It's the basement.
They left the ping pong table?
Yeah, well, we bought it.
Oh,
And the
cool.
treadmill.
Ooh, and the TV?
Yeah, we asked them to keep this stuff. All right, we're going upstairs. Here's the loft.
No, this is nice. That's a
Cute.
Oh
Cute. I love the view actually out here. I don't know.
That's a sick shower.
Here's the bathroom. 2 sinks. We love to see it. I know, I'm so pumped about this shower head. Let's go. And then look at the closet. All my clothes. And then where's the toilet, you may ask? Right in there.
More storage.
There's literally so much storage.
Bathroom.
Yeah. 2 sinks, bathtub, toilet.
There's my room.
Here's the laundry. Yeah, here's this room.
That's my room.
Oh, they left his little...
Let's take
And the
that.
closet's actually a pretty good
Keep
size.
that on there.
That?
Yeah.
No, I want to take that down. And then another bedroom. Oh my god, he had the TikTok lights.
LED lights.
Yeah, look at those. That's so funny. And then here's more storage. They have so many boob lights. When you get rid of all the boobs. When you get rid of all the boob lights.
boob light.
We're in it. It's been a long day, but we got a lot of things moved in. It's looking good. The girls love it, huh? Yeah. You silly. You love your new house, huh? Yeah. Oh, you giving the camera kisses. That's so nice. We didn't bring our couch in, but we did get the bed set up so we can sleep in there tonight. But yeah, finally are here. It doesn't feel real. And we don't have Wi-Fi yet, so we can't even like watch Netflix or anything, because we just like kicked everyone out and we're like, let's just chill and watch TV or something, and now we can't. But I should have brought my book. I forgot my book up. So yeah, we basically have like 2 weeks to get everything out of our old house. So that gives us like plenty of time to get into here, obviously. And we ordered a new couch, which will be here, I think at the end of August. Like, it's gonna take a while, which kind of sucks, but at least we're getting a new one. Anyway, I'm super tired, and yeah, we're just gonna relax for the rest of the night. Okay, hey guys, it's a few days later, and we have basically most of the stuff moved in to the new house, but we still have some other stuff at our old house we have to get. But yeah, things are coming together. I'm super pumped about it. And I'm just like I'm most excited though for like all of our new furniture to come in, because it's just gonna like make it it's gonna feel more new and like all that stuff, you know? But for now, we just have like our old couch in the living room here, and then we'll probably put it upstairs in the loft eventually, but we will see about that. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little video of our new house, and I'm excited for all the new adventures and everything. Well, Jesse's excited too. But yeah, we're super excited. We're already loving it. Our neighbors we've met, and they're great. It's like, it's all been so good. So I'm like so freaking pumped about it. And the lighting in here is great for videos and pictures eventually too. So yeah, I mean, it's all coming together, and I'm just excited for a fresh start here, a new chapter in our lives. So it's gonna be really good. We're super pumped, and yeah, be ready for more vlogs. I'm really wanting to vlog more now that we're in the new house and stuff, and just like it's been crazy with weddings and all that, but now that we're here and all that, like I feel good about everything, and yeah, I want to vlog again. I go through these little spurts, you know. If you watch my vlogs, you know. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Excited to show you guys the house like transform into our own. I mean, we're not doing any projects to the house, besides like taking down some wallpaper in one of the rooms, but yeah, so that's really great. Don't worry about that, but I'm excited to like have all of our furniture here and stuff. So yeah, thank you so much, and subscribe if you're new. Give this video a thumbs up, and what is this situation? I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.